What's going on, everybody? Crypto market crashing. What is going on? What's happening? Well, let's take a seat and enjoy the fireworks, right? I'm here when we're pumping. I'm here when we're crashing. That's the law of the land with crypto. We're seeing in the last, I will say that's 30, the last 2 hours or so, everybody. We're seeing the price being completely depleted and absolutely sold off. And it has stopped in the last 5 to 7 minutes. So, what time is today? Okay, 3 p.m. Traders are traders stopped selling off Bitcoin and therefore most of the other cryptos at 3 p.m. today Central Time. Shiba Inu added 1 0 and immediately came back up right here. And it's sexy. We're seeing it on our screens right now. We have a nice sell-off in the crypto space, and obviously what's going on is it's everything. So welcome everybody. What's happening, fam? Happy to have you all here. It's pretty cool, and I'll be here looking at how volatile the markets are for us because it's pretty exciting. New positions to come in. That's I think where I'm looking at a lot, and in a way, that's always why we want to have cash on hand. Let's take a look at Bone. Bone, that $2 lost it right now, so it's looking at 140. Ethereum, we're looking at a nice consolidation for Ethereum, and then the dropped. Like we've been waiting for that drop for a while, you know. I'm excited that finally we're getting some closure. What else are we seeing? Shiba Inu adding a 0. Bitcoin extremely close to the $19,000. Very close to the $19,000, guys. That's so cool. Let's go ahead and refresh this. $945 billion. We had a 6.30 something percent drop in the entire cryptocurrency market. I like to see the bubbles, guys. There's a lot I want to go over and share with you. Where are you? Oh, here they are. There you go. What's up, everybody? Welcome, welcome. So the day looks like this. These are the bubbles thus far. In the last hour, we are seeing massive, nice sell-offs in basic ones: ApeCoin, Dogecoin, Solana, LUNC. I mean, many ones, right, are extremely being liquidated, which is exciting to say the least. And right now, all of the people that I follow, right, bloody market on the streets, exciting, everybody. Bitcoin trending, which makes it, of course, very obvious of what people are looking at as far as liquidations and more crypto crash. More is to come, but this is what we're looking at right now. And let me show you the 1 day. I think the 4 hours will be efficient. Check this out. 20,052 was the lowest right now recorded a couple minutes ago that we reached, and it stopped at the 3 p.m. time frame. So traders right now, are liquidating, obviously, in the billions of dollars. Guys. That's pretty nice. Just to see, how much money it's been thrown out of the market. It's getting drained, guys. Cowboy Crypto, what's going on, buddy? Welcome aboard. What's up, Rubio? Happy to have you here in the house. Let's go. Look at Cronos, man. We're seeing the price coming close to the low 6, high 5 cents. We're looking back. Gotta close all of these ads. We're looking back at the beginning of the year when it was starting to rise. Now we're looking at the drop and the fall. A nice consolidation while we waited for many news to arrive, and now here it is. Dude, you know what's sad a little bit? What's sad a little bit is that Shiba Inu is going to arrive pretty soon, and it's not going to arrive in the greatest shape for price pump. I've been updating, and everybody's been updating on Shiba Inu, and a lot of people are expecting a pump. I'm expecting a pump, but that pump is obviously going to be capitalized and jeopardized by what's happening right now in the economy and just in the crypto space in general. And I think if we are trying to find a response or exactly what is going on right now in the crypto space, I think where we have to look at is in Silvergate. That's from most of my research, what's really impacting a lot of people, because all of the news that we know, we're the first ones to know, and finally it takes a while for everyone to catch up and start selling off. But one of the things that I'm okay with is that we still have some levels of support. This one was absolutely destroyed. We still have this one left for Bitcoin. Right now, everybody should be looking at Bitcoin. Altcoins remain high risk. Altcoins remain extremely volatile. But in the extremely volatile and high risk, that's when all the money comes out, right? Welcome aboard, guys. Woo! It's beautiful to dip, especially if you're DCAing long term. Absolutely, brother. Let's go ahead and pin that message right now. Yes, you're right. Who's DCAing here in the house? Welcome aboard. Happy to have you here. Look, in my experience, I'm not sure Bitcoin is going to continue dropping because I've been here so many times. But if it is, we're gonna get it live. I wanted to get it live because I always want to get some reactions. So I'm looking at what the prices are heading into. If they are, nobody knows the future, of course. Bitcoin can easily stop at $20,000 and continue rising up, and that will be a great confirmation for everybody. So it's cool. It's cool to see what's happening. Just to start the crypto. The crypto bubbles say it all. The month, we have a few winners, but now everything's turning red once again. And look at the year. Great year we're having. Well, not really. It's still, there's a lot of bloodness on the street. The Bitcoin rainbow chart. Look at it. So close, man. So close of being in that accumulate. And we're going back to basically a fire sale. So I am analyzing everything, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at crypto here. I'm honestly excited. We got Justin, KuCoin Crypto Exchange, sued by the New York's Attorney General. Amazing. Well, I'm just kidding. I'm being, of course, what is it? Sarcastic. It is not good, but I guess in a bear market when everything's bloody, it's the perfect time for legislators and all of these entities to finally make these announcements. Classic crypto. Everybody watching here, do not be afraid, guys. OMG, right? It's hard to once again see these prices, but it's all right. It's all right. It's all gonna be fine, guys. Look at the panic sales. Do not give your crypto to whales. If you're putting your money in great cryptocurrencies, you should be fine, my friend. You should be fine. Even stocks are dropping today. So the Nasdaq was coming close to the 12,000 points, and now we're seeing it come back a little much higher, right? Well, it's been fun. Goodbye, Bitcoin. Will miss you. Come on, brother. It's gonna be absolutely fine. KuCoin getting sued, and yep, call your father. I mean, it is, I think, what happens when you have Jerome Powell coming in and Silvergate coming in, and then you have inflation coming in, and then you have another massive liquidations coming in. You put it all together, fam, and you get a massive recipe of sell-offs. Below 22,000 is cheap. I'll always like to see. Oh, yeah, I know they're going to increase the interest rates, stock market crash in the next 60 days. Well, that is exactly what I saw. I was watching this live, And he said that, and I mentioned that like 2 videos ago. It's cool, guys. We're seeing a little bit of a, rejection at this level, which is great. This is perfect. I'm gonna put it right here. Where is my text? So 20K rejection at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. So we got this one. It's always important to analyze the time breaks, right? All of these candlesticks, because this is 1 hour for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for 6 hours. So I'm gonna put for 6 hours, sellers 1, right? So probably the last leg they wanted to have is a drop in Bitcoin's price of 3.78%, something like that, which, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of people becoming like anxious about it. But if you add everything, we have 7.69% in 1 day. Today is the 9th, and yesterday, right here, we were looking at $21,800. Now, of course, over 5%. Anytime we have over 5% drop in the price of Bitcoin, it's a bad day, for longs. Absolutely. Welcome aboard, everybody. Happy to have you here in the house. Let's go with the first poll in the chat. What are you doing? By the way, guys, if you're enjoying the live, we're starting right now. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notification bells. Let's get more people here in the chat. Of course, we understand, all of my subscribers and new viewers, that what we're going through, it's nothing new. We've been through many of this, and it's great, to have a conversation. That's it. What are you doing? Number 1, DCA. Number 2, panic mode. Or number 3, waiting for lower prices. There you go. There it is. Buying, panic mode, and waiting for lower prices. Let's see what my audience here, guys, my beautiful audience, is doing. Look at that delicious comeback. A lot of buying pressure coming in right now. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the volume. DCA. There you go. Love it. Grow at 4 cents will be a dream. FFR. I'm going to go ahead and pin that beautiful one, guys. Start commenting. I'll pin in your comments. I mean, absolutely. Cronos. Look at this. Can't believe it. We've been talking about Cronos for the entire time. We're talking about Shiba Inu and Bone because of Shibarium, right? If you guys are coming in here with Shiba Inu, where's the Shiba Inu members? Utilize that emoji. I don't like the time for Shibarium to arrive, but it's much needed. Shibarium deserves a better market, but it's all right. When it comes, it's not gonna really enjoy everything because the market is super bearish, super hawkish right now. Cheers, everybody. It is what it is, man. Century, appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that a lot. I'm in the hole to see if it keeps going down. Hands to holy bloody from catching falling knives. Remember, altcoins remain risky. Bitcoin, as of now, the Fed says the Fed is the only one that is not a security. Oh, how garbage that is, right? But it is what it is. That's the Fed. But let's go ahead and continue. As soon as I started the live, the price of Bitcoin started to go up. You realize super manipulation, man. Bitcoin, Shiba Inu fam, we gained 1-0 and it was deleted once again in a matter of minutes. Shiba Inu gained a 0 and it was deleted in a matter of minutes. Bone was $2 and now and close to 140, and of course now it's less. And check this out. This does not mean that that's it. We are still analyzing everything. A 20K rejection, it's great. We still have this rejection right here, or a consolidation But let me tell you something. If we go lower and break that $20,000 to $19,000, we are gonna see 19,000 and lower in those ranges. So be ready, guys. OMG. Guys, I mean, it's just insane, but I'm happy. You know, the silver bank news is ridiculous. I completely agree, bro, because cannot believe how much pain we're seeing in the market. It's like this bear market should have probably ended already, and it seems that it's not. And we all want a bull market, but we gotta continue holding hands strong, right? Because we're seeing some rejections and some comebacks here. Let's go to the 5 minutes and analyze every single piece of movement here in the house for Bitcoin. That's the lowest thus far. Bitcoin over the 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes thus far, Bitcoin is moving up. It's moving up. People are coming. Short squeeze. Let's go. Cowboy Crypto says, yep, that's exactly what it is. Sell-offs, full shorting. And here's to what? To make the short squeeze back to 25K. And if I'm not right, we'll make head and shoulders. I agree what we discussed yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, in the live. You think Shiba Inu will be delayed? Is not good for the team. Yeah, Shiba Inu will be coming up this week. That's why they've said it has to come today or tomorrow or Saturday or Sunday. I mean, they have 4 days. The final Shiba Inu countdown is here, and we're still gonna see it. Come on, Bitcoin, give us something delicious. Give us something delicious. I'm ready and excited, man. And I love the 5-minute chart because it all changes like this, and it's so exciting, man. Chip drops to 4507, then I'll buy. If not, I'm wasting my money. It seems like Powell sneezes and we crash. Soto, you're right, brother. That's why, Jerome Powell is insane, man. So that has too much power. But it is what it is. You got to strengthen those positions. Now, thus far with 50 plus votes, not many people are in panic mode, or like a 10% or so. So panic mode people, if you're watching right now, I appreciate you're here. We're coming up in the live because it's always great. I mean, to have a live conversation, a two-way street. I'm seeing your comments right here in front of me. Just remember why you got to crypto the first time, right? Just remember why you got to crypto the first time, right? There's just so much bad news out there, and the pain continues. But just remember that. And I think it's gonna be your light at the end of the tunnel. That's it. Nice. Discuss live, huh? Y'all need to come watch the show more. Welcome aboard. Prices dropping, exciting. Crypto market selling off. We like it. Almost 5 cents. Huge signal. Recession trending. Showing more crypto crash trending. Mr. Beast trending. All of that. Let me go ahead and take a look at my... We're probably already super fear. Yeah, that thing is gonna change. That thing is gonna change to probably 39 or 37. Fear is not coming back to the chat. Now let's see. What are we looking right now? 942 in the last hour. Oof. Bone. But Huobi token, it's on a sell-off spree. Let's go ahead and take a look at HT. I'm going to take Ethereum. HT. Huobi token. Let's do this one. Oh! Look at that. Huobi token just got demolished. Huobi token just got absolutely demolished today. Wow. Something happened to this, guys. 76% in one day. Huobi token destroyed. Wow. Look at that short squeeze, baby. What happened here? Huobi clarifies Korean operations, two separate entities aiming doubts over Huobi's future as harsh layoff rumor. Oh, I see. Yeah, there's always news. When you see something like this, there's always news behind it. The headlines for Huobi token. Wow, that was somebody cashing out a lot of Huobi token, probably someone who works at Huobi token, because you don't see that happening a lot. It has to be a massive whale, probably affiliated with the company, guys. Every time it crashes, I just bought everything so I can paper. Dude, I think that is protecting yourself from your emotional trading visual, right? Most of my money is staked or locked, right? Because imagine if it wasn't, I'll be probably someone much closer to falling into the idea of, dude, it's falling apart, I gotta cash out. Absolutely never. I haven't cashed out nothing on my positions. I'm making Ethereum, I'm making Bitcoin, I'm making Cardano, Cronos, I'm token, Shiba Inu. I'm staking so much that whatever happens right now is just for long term, right? I am not concerned right now what's going on, but I would talk about it because it's important. We are not in a bull market, and therefore we just don't have the people, but we have the people who want to build and change their lives, and the ones that are coming after us in a bull season, they're not here. That's why we're not seeing the pumps. Wrecked, son. Where's the Cronos fam? I see a lot of Cronos holders here in the house. Welcome aboard. I bought Cronos at around 8 cents. It's all staking, and that Cronos is now much lower. So I'm just holding and I'm staking it. That's it, right? Just remember one thing and one thing only. If you think you're losing a lot of money, or your position is super down, I don't know if this makes you feel better, but Michael Saylor and Elon Musk and a lot of people who hold Bitcoin in billions and millions of dollars, they're down billions of dollars, and you and I will probably down a couple hundreds of thousands, or a couple thousands, or a couple hundreds of dollars. So you think it that way, somebody else out there got it worse than us, right? It's just, it's the reality. Let's check Huobi token. It's coming up, but this is insane. Let me go to the 1 hour and to the 15 minutes. Where are all the green candlesticks? They're the green candlesticks for Huobi. Dude, this token is getting manipulated like you never believed it. Look at that. Look at Huobi token. Dude. No way, guys. This is just crazy what the market brings. A lot of people just became rich in this comeback. A lot of people, I'm not lying to you guys. A lot of people from here to here, that is 190%. Oh, dude, look at that. Sexy. Oh, man. I don't know how many thousands or hundreds of traders are trading this one right now. It's pretty insane. Oh man, Huobi token is really crushing it, bro. That's awesome. Love to see that, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, and providing consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome aboard. We're still looking at things in the 5-minute Bitcoin. It crashed a lot. It crashed a lot, man. Boom, boom, boom. That's exactly what's going on. You bought some bones yesterday. You saw it drop 15% today and bought even more. Also, a little bit Ethereum and Cronos. Not going to buy any more for a couple of months. Just hold. Let's go ahead and put that pin in. Buy what you can afford losing. And if you don't have anything, then don't buy anything. That's as simple as that. But make sure you are owning all the success and the failures of your decisions, right? That's what matters. JB in the house. Welcome, brother. Happy to have you here in the house. Thank you. I believe the bottom being in, so technically that's the beginning of a bull cycle. Chad, let's talk about that one because I believe, I don't think we're going to be just $10,000, $12,000. I mean, what else there for us? No. Look at all the bad news we're seeing and still is holding at 20. It's looking sharp for me, right? But we may have much lower prices if a recession is fully announced and embraced. Now you know how that one goes. And oh man, that Huobi token is the only thing that is crushing it a lot. Bunch of liquidations on this side. Bone 11% down in the last 24 hours. Bone is the one also moving down. Terra Luna Classic, Shiba Inu adding 1-0. We're seeing Ethereum. Yep, I think the definition of the crypto crash is here, that is going to start giving new people opportunities. This was 2100, and now it's correcting a little bit more the volume and the billions right now. Exciting, man. The day right now, it looks shrinking. Huobi token is the one that is leading this massive crash from almost $5 to $3 to almost $2 Huobi token right now. Exciting, man. This is always a great hashtag to follow because it happens. Yeah, it was good to know as well. 6-2, it's coming up. What is going on, right? The big question right here. Well, to put it simply, whales are cashing out either because something is coming or because of what just happened with Silvergate Bank, with all of the ongoing investigations with, two crypto companies, and also could be after, all the conversations from the Federal Reserve Chairman, Jerome Powell. There's just all there for grabs. You decide what you think it's making it lower. But yep, it's bringing the price lower for everything here in crypto. And it's exciting, man. Looking at these prices, yeah, I think this one, the 6 hours, let's go back to the 1 hour. Yes, this 6 hours right here. This one took 6 hours for people to catch up as far as when the price was going to stop. So it does look like right here is adding a new low that we haven't seen. Let me go to the 1 day. It added a new low. Let's go ahead and move everything that we haven't seen since January the 23rd. So check this out. The price of Bitcoin once again playing with us. And this is the week, and this is what's happening right here on the screen. We're now this consolidation level that we started back in June 13, 2022. So if I do this, that is 8 to 7 months of the same price, but with different names. At the beginning of June 2022, we didn't have Silvergate. We didn't have FTX. We only had Luna. I'm going to say that again because I think it makes sense. In June 2022, there was no FTX. There was no Silvergate. There was no 3 Hours Capital. There was no Genesis Trading. And there was no, even Logan Paul scam. CryptoSue. I was watching some coffee because he went to on Joe Rogan. So there was nothing. That was just Terra Luna, man. And it brought the price to their knees starting May all the way June. And you're telling me that after all of that time, what we've been seeing over the last Let's start from here. What we've been seeing over, where are we at here? Over the last 266 days, we're still in the same price. We're still in the same place. We were already actually getting a little bit out of it here at 25,000. Now we're here. This is for me to start analyzing. Check this out. From here, it's 5,000 up. Now we got to go through 2 levels of resistance, right? It's just cool to analyze this and the Celsius bankrupt. Thank you so much. Yes. So I want to make sure everybody understands, right? We were at this level before a bunch, like 80% of the mess. Now that we have the 100% of the mess already on the board, we're still at the same price. What does that mean? Easy. It means that Bitcoin has been holding pretty nice, because Bitcoin could have been already at $10,000. Already at $10,000, right? Because now you're adding more problems. We're still here. We're still here. Isn't that a great evidence that Bitcoin is extremely resilient? The resistance, it's strong, right? Because how much garbage have we endured? So much. Chris says, when we hit $1 crow, I'm coming to America from Australia just to say hi, Oscar, and say thank you for all your great work. Thank you, Chris. Appreciate that a lot, and I'm happy to have you here in the chat. Crypto really, it's doing good, guys. Just imagine if all of those garbage people who failed to the retail investors would have done what's right. All those scams, frauds, starting with, of course, with FTX that really collapsed so many. We would have easily already been in the 30s or 35, 40s, but we're still here. You know what this means? It allows for most of us, and now we're seeing right now with 126 votes, buying is winning. Buying is winning, guys. Could you imagine, fam, not having such a devastation of incompetence? Celsius, BlockFi, then we have Voyager, Terra Luna, FTX, Silverbank, 3 Hours Capital, Alameda Research, Genesis Trading. How many more, man? Oof. But it's all right, fam. The good ones will prevail. The good ones will prevail. I think that was a great way to explain really what's popping. What happened here? Wait. Did we just crash again a little bit and I didn't notice? Dude, we went down right now. We went so down in just a matter of seconds. What? Oh, wow. I didn't even see it, man. I didn't even see it. Look, we went this way and we came back. More fireworks coming, baby. Let's go. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody, and consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome aboard. Oscar Ramos here. Typically, when we go live, we want an Oscar pump. But garbage, man. We're seeing Oscar dump today. It's all right. The people are here for answers. That's what we're giving it. Let's go. What do you think about Shiba Inu? I think it will be delayed after this. I don't think it will be delayed because they already said something. If Shiba Inu delays the launch because of the price, it's going to lose a lot of respect and a lot of followers. Mark my words. Shiba Inu has to go. Shiba Inu has to launch. Shiba Inu has to launch better, like they said. They cannot come at us and say, we're going to reschedule. But no, they cannot do that. They cannot do that. So it's going to happen this week, like Shaitoshi said, like everybody said. Let's just see it, celebrate, see the pump and dump, and get over with it. That's it. That's it. Let's just not make it like it's a big deal, but the reality is that we just don't have the market to have more. That's it. Till what price came down? We can see it, Oscar. Your com is in the middle. Oh. There it is, brother. Oh, yeah. The low. That's why I have this one, brother. 20,000. This is, it came lower to 2061, and then we have 2052, brother. 2052. Yes, that's why I have it right there. We're seeing everything right now. Shivarium will get crushed, you're saying. I see. Cowboy Crypto, the squid is coming in and it's gonna hit hard. Sub Oscar, what's going on, Aaron? Happy to have you here in the house. People are shorting. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. It's exciting, man. Oscar, do you have any micro projects do you advise to get into right now? Everything. Altcoins are risky. Look at the market. It's up to use your money. I think it's never a bad idea to put or to take a look at. Welcome, Jorge. I think it's never a bad idea to put money in in blue chips. That's just personally my take. Always. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the prices are moving forward for Cronos here too. My cryptodeer.com guys. CoinDesk putting up this article that I talked about it in my last video about crypto.com struggling to find this USD on and off ramp partner, right? Because crypto.com, there's been some issues where people want to withdraw, they want to take their money out with USD, with their national currency, and they just cannot. Because Silverbank just got liquidation. So obviously, not only crypto.com, but other different crypto companies are going through OMG, right? Now what we do, because we need loyal partners that are not going to go bankrupt. That's what's happening. I see a lot of panic. People don't like huge moves. I think because the market doesn't like uncertainty, buddy. That's what happens. But it's good when you know what's happening here in the house. Thank you. Anytime, of course. What's your take on Crow? Well, I like it. And I know I have many reasons why. You can take a look at some of the videos. When Crow hits 6 cents, buy, be 95% done. Very good opportunity. That's cool. That is amazing, brother. I'll buy more when we hit 90% done again. Just saying, Eduardo. That's really cool. That's nice. Patiently waiting for my Voyager assets, then BlockFi. Admont, Governor, and Grayscale. Yeah, Grayscale too. Thank you. Yeah, Grayscale also. Cannot believe it. That's pretty insane. Thinking about Shibarium, bad moment. That's exactly why. It's like super bad timing, man. Super bad timing for Shibarium, honestly. It's all right. It doesn't involve Shibarium in any way. But it's just the timing, you know? The timing is not in the best interest for... It's not in the best interest for people want to make a quick trade. Yep, nothing is here. And I'm happy that Chaitoshi told everybody, watch out with scams, watch out, wait for the official announcement. Yesterday, a lot of people were like, it's live. And I believe it was live for 12 hours or so. I don't know that. And some people cover it, but I didn't do it. I was busy with other stuff, but I'm waiting for the official announcement with an official website so I can tell you guys what's official and what's safe. And obviously, that's the idea of this. Loving the sellers. Thank you for the cheap crow. I know, right? The whales. We're becoming the whales, everyone. We're becoming those whales on this. Now, this is not a bull pennant. We're not making bullish trading patterns in the 5-minute trading way. Let's go ahead and open up. I'm going to have my Bollinger Bands, and let's go ahead and bring Fibonacci Relative Strength Index RSI. I'm going to go ahead and take the moving average, and we'll go ahead and put this one a little bit bigger. So thus far, this is what I look like in the 5 minutes for the RSI. We were, of course, higher. Now we are oversold, and now we're coming up. That's what the price of Bitcoin is doing right now. Exciting, man. Want to buy another 100K Cronos? That is a baller right there in there, brother. But what's the bottom? That's a great question. One of the things that I was mentioning just a couple minutes ago is with everything that we already had for bad news and the price is crushing and we're still holding strong in the price of Bitcoin, I'll take it. Bone. Let's go to the 5 minutes on Bone. Bone lowest price thus far was 142. So that was roughly a 20% lower in just in the same day. If you bought Bone at 170 today, your 20%, your investment is now 20% less. And Shiba Inu gained a 0 and it quickly deleted that 0. So yep, welcome to the exciting times of the retracements, fellas. Shiba Inu for sure. Let's go to the 5 minutes on Shiba Inu. Let's see if we can get something here, something delicious. Eduardo, thank you very much for that super chat, brother. First one of the live. Appreciate that a lot. Appreciate it. Thank you. We're here looking at everything. If we get to $19,000, we're going to see it. We are going to see it. In fact, let's see what people are saying on that. What are you doing? Let's get Powell printing some money for us so we go higher, right? What are you buying? 41%. What are you doing? 41% of you are buying and 40% of you are waiting for lower prices. Then this one is going to make sense. Send it. Is Bitcoin going to below $20,000? What do you guys think? Interesting results. Well, with almost 200 people here voting, that's what we got. And well, what I can tell you is we have an understanding, I think a correct understanding as far as DCAing, no matter whatever kind of way you're trying to get into crypto, long term always wins. Exciting times for all the crypto investors. At 3 p.m., the price started to stop to crash. It's been 40-something minutes, and the price hasn't done anything, and it always happens. This one, slowly but surely, Bitcoin not trying, but yes, wanting, and then finally, in 15 minutes, there's the drop. And today, a big drop happened to $20,000. Boom. So this was the first. Let's go ahead and bring my rectangle here. This one. An important resistance for us to take a look at it. I mean, support, and now it was, of course, crushed. By the end of this week, we're expecting Shibarium to be launched. And once Shibarium is launched, guys, I'm expecting more liquidity in the markets, more money in the markets, because people are going to start buying. They're trading. That could help. That could help Bitcoin to go higher than price too. Or better said, Ethereum, that was right now broken into their consolidation and go back to that $15,000. Right now, $14,000 Ethereum, right? Other cryptocurrencies I'm seeing right there are still very down. Gala is still very down. Many of them very, very down in the prices. And Cronos looking chilling right now. The last time Cronos was here, check on the 4 hours. Oh, baby. That was January, so the beginning of the year. How easily it goes in less than 2 days. Destruction, same as it went, it goes all the way down, and this takes forever, and then finally it's here. That is the way of the crypto, guys. That is the way of the crypto. Your forming support. Yep, it'll take longer than that for it to be a more solid support, in my opinion, for sure. Yep, trading bots activated. Absolutely. Let's go ahead and put that in the comments. Somebody like extremely emotion, I'll suggest live trading. Pakistan, welcome. This is what's happening right now at the moment. A lot of people liquidating, a lot of sell-offs thus far in the month of March. I think this is the crash that some people were talking about it. The year for Bitcoin so far, 47%, 43%. Shiba Inu, 53%. There you go. Now you're seeing it right there on the screen. There it is. Bone. I'm interested in Bone right now. Let me find it. I don't see Bone here, which is surprising. Maybe lower. No, that's it. Well, Bone should be there, of course, doing very well, but right now having some retracements. That's it. Retracements. President Biden calls for a 30% tax on all electricity used to mine Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Oh man, can somebody do something about it, please? Insane. It is what it is, man. It depends what you're looking for to invest. Cheers, everybody. What we're seeing right now is the initial pump, and now here comes once again the dump. Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready. Who likes blood here, guys? Who likes blood on the streets? That's something I've learned here on YouTube. People just like to crash, man. That is what it is. There it is. There's the emoji I was looking for. Bam! I don't know why. Human nature. We just like to see everything crumble. Just saying, I'm not a bud. A long time with you, Oscar, since last year, November. Appreciate that a lot. When my good friends passed away, but I came back stronger. Chris, what's going on, brother? Happy to have you here in the house. Let's go. I love a lot of my followers here. You know, the community. They want to see 10, 12,000. Dude. Now, let's discuss something of relevance here. Why then? That to me, it really got strange. Why? As soon as we started 2023, the price pumped a lot, like so much with no stop. That was suspicious, like the TikTok. That's suspicious. Yes, it was very suspicious, right? Just pumping for no reason. Pumping for no reason, going up and up and up and up. Everything. And I'm like, okay, then there's so many reasons, but okay. Then finally we get to the end of January, we come February, and we start consolidating. We start just not moving, consolidating. That is the first signal of here comes the dump, right? And now we're seeing it all in its glory at the end of February and in March. But here's the deal. When we have an opportunity to buy lower than it was 2 weeks ago, would you take it? Because if that case, then it's going to go much higher, right? And it will continue doing the manipulations that we're used to. and I'll be ready for it. Of course. Thank you, Chris. Appreciate that a lot. Welcome aboard. 12K is too much, you say. It's generalized collapse. So, the restart of the bull rush. You think so? I see it, man. I see it. Those are the things that happens in crypto, man. And I think we gotta be extremely excited for the opportunities put up to us. But yeah, it was pumping a lot. Finally going a little bit lower. Let's go to the week right here. There it is. Now, the big question, guys, $20,000. That's where we stopped at 3 p.m. today, which actually, if you take a look at the weekly Bollinger Band, it's right in the middle. And if you open up the RSI, it's right in the middle. So we do have three, realistically speaking, we have 3 confirmations of this price level, which is positive. If this is the lowest Bitcoin goes and then starts rolling once again, I can honestly confirm with you that the start of the bull cycle could be coming in. But what are the percentages that that's going to happen? Very, very close to none, because everything looks like we're going to start resetting, going back a little bit, lower. $15,000 still seems very low, still seems very far, but this is what's happening. In about 8 months or so, we haven't been able to move, and it's all because of everything that finally is coming out from, let's go back to the 5 minutes. It's coming at 15 minutes. It's coming out from the investigations last year. That's it. Ooh, exciting. Are you scared from this blood, Oscar? Absolutely not. I'm excited. The more the better. 94 votes thus far, a couple of 100 people voting, and there's a lot saying, you know what, we're going below $20,000. And I think the answer to that is yes, if indeed in the, probably in an hour or so, we have even more surprises. This is a consolidation that we had nowhere today. This is a consolidation that it was, going lower, but lower, and finally a crash and the lower retracement. This is the longest consolidation we've had, about to be 1 hour of this consolidation in the 5 minutes. And it could take a couple more hours, and then it goes even lower probably later today, because people right now in Asia are sleeping, and here in the United States, we are heading to the late day. Brandon, love it, brother. This is what we've been asking for. Give a lot of the newbies a chance to jump in with us. Amazing. And I'm sure a lot of you in the previous question, a lot of you are waiting. You're waiting for the opportunities to buy cheaper. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. Welcome aboard. I'll give you a shout out here. We're talking crypto. We're looking at the prices. And you know what fascinates me a lot, fam, is that even in this difficult times, we still got people here. And I love it. I love it. I think I'm just couldn't be more excited, more proud, more grateful, because when we are ballooning to the moon and the stars and Jupiter, I can only imagine how many great people will be here watching us and enjoying our time. So this is for you guys. Excited. Bouncing back and confirming the double bottom. We never really did. Want to see something like this. I think that'll be fantastic to watch once again. Oh, yes. That's exactly what I wanted to. Just starts crashing all of this sudden. The one that was doing really bad was Huobi token. Huobi token was doing not good. Once we're back at basically a fire sale, I think you got to take it, right? I mean, that's a great signal. We really had the chance to buy more right here. Now we're going back to repeating that same opportunity. I mean, what a nice surprise. What a nice, great opportunity for sure. What's happening to look at this guy? Look at this guy. What's happening to Bitcoin? Nothing, brother. Absolutely nothing is fine. We're just enjoying the times to buy even at cheaper prices. Grant Cardone. New York is taking another swing at cryptocurrency industry with a lawsuit accusing KuCoin, one of the world's most popular crypto exchanges, of operating in the state without a license. Oops. So not only we have Silvergate, now we have KuCoin. Come on, man. Give us a break. Give us a break. Let me ask you, will Bitcoin hold above? Nope. Probably not. Exciting, exciting, exciting. Woo! Nice. I love the fact that the backside has fell out. Everything whole is bad advice. Brett Taylor, welcome, bro. Why you keep saying this is exciting? People losing money, Oscar? I think you're missing the point, right? How in the world you want people to make money easy by others losing money? That's the market. It sounds ruthless, but it is the reality of crypto. People earn a lot of money because other people are willing to buy high and lose on their investment. Welcome to the reality if you didn't know what it was. Chris, thank you very much, everybody. Thank you, Chris, for that amazing, kind super chat. Appreciate it a lot. Welcome aboard. It is a reality, brothers and sisters. A lot of people are losing on their investments because they bought higher, and some people are selling higher because they want to buy lower. It is what it is. Buy price target for Shiba Inu is 50820. 50 Shiba Inu. I'm going in. Oh yes. 50. Like we were right there, but I was looking into making the live for us. But if we do that once again, bro, it is super close for Shiba Inu. Super close. Mina, please take a look at Huobi token. Yeah, we were talking about Huobi token just a while ago. Yep, it got demolished a lot. So you didn't sell before this dump. If you okay, what I've said earlier, I'm all staking. Right now I'm all staking. Most of my positions are long terms, right? I'm a trader, but most of my staking is, holding and earning me passive income. So don't really worry too much about this volatility. When I see a nice low, I come in and I put it to stake. I forget it. I know this is going to be a while. Why you never mention XRP? I have XRP. I don't talk about it too much, right? But when I have the chance, I would. Thank you. Yeah. I do have XRP. It is one of those special positions that I have that I'm sure that I could do very well. Of course, I hold AMP. Still staking there, brother. Still staking my AMP. Not forgetting the AMP token, the one that helped me so much in my early days. Yes. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin in the 4 hours. Let's go ahead and click everything here. So much here. And I'm going to move to my Heikin Ashi on the 1 day. So here it is. The Heikin Ashi helps you see a much better trend when it comes to the price and what is bullish or bearish. So thus far, Bitcoin has come back, right, from these levels. According to the Heikin Ashi, the price went to right here to 19,893, but it's right about here according to Heikin Ashi. So we're still seeing, a lot of sell-offs, and it kind of gives you the idea as far as This is the date. Throughout today, we're probably going to continue seeing the sell-off. So, you know, be mindful of that. Be mindful of that. You're not losing unless you sell. Good time to buy a discount. Heck is sad. I wish more people would understand that, right? The thing is that here's where it all boils down to. Because anyone can buy crypto. There's people who buy crypto who do not have the guts, the mental fortitude, the maturity. They're not adults. They're kids, children. Or they're just not emotionally well, or I don't know. Because if you're buying into crypto expecting a return every single time, and if you lose, you blame others, that's it. You gotta get out as soon as possible, right? I mean, it is what it is. A lot of us, you know, I'm about to be 30. I've been through a lot of different disappointments and stocks and options and so many of those things. So if something doesn't go my way, it's fine. I'll take it, right? But I mean, you have to understand this is risky and we're early. That's it. If you understand that we're early, that right now is when a lot of crypto companies are trying to find out if it works for massive billions of people, then you don't really worry too much of what's going on right now. You try to buy the best crypto projects with the best innovations, the best technologies, the best security, the best licenses, the best thing of the best, and you hold if that's what you want to do, right? 53 Lazarus says, let's go. So hopefully somebody who needed to hear that is hearing this, because it's absolutely completely true, and I feel like a little bit of Andrew Tate. Do you think if I didn't sell at 25K, it would be pretty dumb to sell now? So I have, oh, I see. Oscarini, that's financial advice, right? Telling you exactly what to do. That's a great opportunity, right? If you didn't sell at 25, it means that you thought that it was going higher because you probably wanted to do some trading, but ultimately you didn't sell. Therefore, you're here with us. Gala is gonna be gold. Damn. Gala games. Absolutely. I've heard great things for you. Bad time for day traders. Cheats. Jay-Z. Actually, I disagree. Do you have any idea who's making all of these trades and who's making all of these candlesticks rise and dump? Day traders. Longs are the ones who are causing the major, big, huge candlesticks, but the ones that are making ups and downs right now are all day traders. They're all trading, and it's risky. Obviously, you're gonna lose a lot of money and earn a lot of money, so it's up to you. Spot Tectonic, Sergio, that's awesome. Great job, buddy. Kudos. Pete, woohoo! Everything's on sale. I love red days. It's time to buy, baby. I know. So, guys, quick recap. As soon as I started the live, it was 3 p.m. At 3 p.m., Bitcoin and everything stopped crashing, stopped going down. I am very well aware that at any point, I'm leaving here and it can continue crashing because obviously that's just the way it is. It's now 4 p.m. For an entire hour, the candlesticks are showing consolidation. Just be aware when prices start going up, then we can break the consolidation and finally go back to this level, which is 21. This is the level to beat once again. But now, if you start seeing the candlesticks break 2052, then lower prices ahead. That's the idea for this. That's how you should be looking at this. Bitcoin is going below 20K. 75% says yes. We meet tomorrow, same time, talking about $18,000. Oh, baby. We'll see, right? If that's the case, I'll be here then. I'll be excited. Lazarus says they don't teach us this stuff. I learned by accident. You only lose if you sell. If you bought Home Depot stock, then when you go into the toilet, made a killing with economy bounce back, of course. Absolutely. So you're gonna see Bitcoin trending today. Look at that, beautiful. That picture says it all. That picture says everything right here. $20,298, 7% down, last 24 hours. So this is occurring today. Look at the consolidation we've been having in the last couple of days. Finally, the sell-offs. And well, people are already creating all kinds of data and expectations. And I have created mine for you in this last hour. Fellas and fam, if you want to go ahead and take a look at me, the real one, because you know there's a lot of scammers, I always get messages. Check that out. I always share the videos and stuff so you guys have all the news. Have cash on hand. Deals ahead. Deals ahead. All right, my fellas. Great opportunity. Thank you very much for coming in and watching. May God bless you all. Be safe. Be wise. And like we've talked, I'm so no, wait, let's see. Let me find a way of saying this. I am a little sad that Shibarium is going to launch in a really weird time in crypto market, but it is what it is. It's still gonna do well. It can happen anytime, later today, tomorrow or so. But Shiba Inu community has so much resilience, it's gonna be fine. Cronos holders, Crow fam, still holding, buddy. Not much we can do. Still holding and buying till we get the goal 100,000 Crow. See you next time, guys. God bless you all and be wise. Peace. Let's go. Let's chill right now. It's a lot to do. Bye.